Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use notify sticker on Instagram stories. First things first, go to your Play Store and you want to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. Now after that, go to your Instagram app and then add some stories. Now click this icon right here. Now select this notify sticker and then you can adjust it to whatever you want. This will be used by your viewers or your followers to notify them if you have any posts or any update to your account, and then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.